Hi there, welcome to this video. So today I'll show you how you can install a control panel, which is a cloud panel in a VPS. So at first log into your SatisfyHost client account and go to manage VPS. Then you can see interface like this. So from here uh, check everything is fine and server is online. So now go to cloud panel site, which is cloudpanel.io, and here free hosting control panel. So cloud panel is basically a free web hosting control panel that you can use on your VPS without any charges or without any hassle. Okay, so here they told us CloudPanel is a free software to configure and manage a server with an obsessive focus on simplicity. Run static website, PHP, Node.js, and many things. Also the WordPress. Okay, so get started and installation on other. So here we want to use operating system Ubuntu 22.04 LTS, and as the database engine we want to use MariaDB 10.11. Okay, so click here. Then here you will get a script for cloud panel installation. So wait here and make sure the operating system of your VPS is Ubuntu 2.04 LTS. So here I already installed the operating system in my VPS Ubuntu 22.04. So if you don't know how you can reinstall operating system as you want, so please check the video here in the iCard. I will provide the video or the playlist. In this playlist VPS you will get the a video about how you can reinstall operating system. Okay, so now we need to log in the VPS using this user and password. So I want to use the software Putty. So here is the software Putty. I'm login here. Okay, copy the IP and then put here with the port 22, and here the IP of the VPS. Okay, so click on the open. Yeah, then you will get a interface like this. Okay, so click here on accept, then right here the root and the password. Here you can see the password. Okay, so now just click on the mouse right click to paste the password here. It will not show the password here. Okay, so then click on the enter. Yeah, successfully logged in. Okay, perfect. So here our terminal SSH access here. So now okay, so we should run this command. Okay, so copy and okay, right click and then enter. It will start it. Okay, okay, so wait for the process. It will take a few minutes or few seconds. I think a minute or a couple of minutes. We should wait for the progress complete. In the process you can see a dialog box like that. So just enter, press the enter here, so it will continue the process. Okay, so our update and upgrade has been completed. So now we need to run the cloud panel installation script. So this is the CloudPanel installation script. Just copy from here and just right click here and then press the enter button. It will start the CloudPanel installation process. So wait few minutes to complete the process. Then we can go forward for the next step. Okay, so our CloudPanel installation completed. So CloudPanel can be accessed now from this URL. So we can mark and Control X, and then paste it on the browser to see. Okay, so click on Advanced, accept the risk and continue. Here you need to create a user for as admin user creation. So I'm giving here the name. So you can add as you want, and the password, and this will be your admin password. So I'm giving here a password. Okay, a time zone you can set from here as you want. This is not any confusing matter, I think, for you, so you can set as you want. So I'm here, click on the create user. It will create the admin user for me by using this admin login. Here my username and the password. So this is our control panel which we have installed in our VPS. So that's it. Nothing you should need anymore to install this. So now from here you can create a site, add site, and many things you can do from here. So in the next video we'll show you how you can host a WordPress site by using CloudPanel.